So hello students, today we see some more calculations of equivalent weight of different compounds. So first see the calculation of equivalent weight of HNO3. We know HNO3 is works as a good acid. It is known as a strong acid, and it is also known as good oxidizing agent. Now we see its equivalent weight calculation when it acts as acid and it acts as oxidizing agent. But first, if it acts as a it acts as an acid. See, we know how to calculate the equivalent weight of acid. So there is a molecular weight by basicity. So molecular weight, how much here? Nitrogen 14. Okay, so 1 nitrogen 14. So basicity 1, so 63 by 1, that is 63 gram. So how its basicity is 1? So basicity means the maximum number of H plus ions can be released by it. So only one, but that is only maximum only 1. Okay, it releasing only one H plus ion, so it's n factor. So n factor equal to 1, so it is equal to 1. So this is its equivalent weight when it acts as acid. Now what is the other character of HNO3? It acts as oxidizing agent. Okay, so it also acts as oxidizing agent. It also acts as oxidizing agent. So but here the thing is, its equivalent weight is again different based on its concentration. Okay, even in the all are having in all reaction it shows the oxidizing agent character, but based on the based on its concentration, it shows a different reaction. So for example, if you see in concentration HNO3, what is the equivalent weight? If you use the concentration HNO3, it is observed that by taking concentration HNO3, the NO3 minus changed to nitrogen dioxide. How you know means it is observed in the different reaction and it is given. We need to remember this. Okay, so what is the oxidation number of nitrogen? Because we have to compare only nitrogen. Oxygen के two sides minus 2 together. So minus 6 minus 2 x equal to, so it is here, it is given minus 1 all of so all over plus. So here, so nitrogen oxidation number 4. What is the change? Nitrogen plus 5 to plus 4 means nitrogen is reduced. Nitrogen is reduced from nitrate to nitrogen dioxide. So how many electrons required for it? Plus 5 to plus 4 means it need a 1 electron. So therefore what is n factor? Therefore we can write n factor is equal to 1. N factor 1, but what is the equivalent weight of concentrated HNO3? Same molecular weight by its number of electron transfer, that is just 63. Okay, so next we see its calculation in dilute HNO3. If you use dilute HNO3 in the reaction, what are the changes takes place? So it is observed that if you use the dilute HNO3, it become nitric oxide, NO3 minus become NO. NO means here nitric oxide. So what is the oxidation number? Just now we calculated as a plus 5. What is the oxidation number? So here plus 2 means nitrogen is reduced from plus 5 state to plus 2. So how many electrons? So the gaining of 3 electrons. So here therefore what is n factor? N factor equal to 3. So n factor equal to 3. So equivalent weight of dilute HNO3 is equal to molecular weight by, so by 3. So why by 3 means its number of electrons gained is 3. So 21 grams. So there is a one more difference is there. The observed one is if you take even the difference in the temperature, if you take cold dilute HNO3, cold and dilute HNO3 condition. So what is mean by dilute? So what is mean by dilute means it's very low concentrated solution is treated as dilute. If high concentrate is taken, that is called concentrated solution. So if a medium will be given, so that will be treated as a separate concentration will be given. If a good concentration, that is called concentrated. If very low concentration, that is given as dilute. Again it is given cold and dilute HNO3. So it observed that if you use dilute HNO3 in cold conditions, it is changed to NO3 minus, it changed to NH2OH. So I have to remember, if you take cold dilute HNO3, the nitrate ion is changed to NH2OH. So the removal of oxygens and the addition of hydrogen, simple reduction. But in the calculation, we need to know the number of electrons gained. So what is the oxidation number? So we know its oxidation number is plus 5. So what is the oxidation number of nitrogen here in this compound? X. So plus 2, so minus 2, hydrogen again plus 1, overall 0. It cancel, x plus 1 equal x equal minus 1. So nitrogen oxidation state here minus 1. So the specialty of the nitrogen is also, the special character of nitrogen is also this one. Means the showing different number of oxidation numbers, even from negatives, fractions, and up to plus 5. Okay, there is a possibility of different negative numbers, positive numbers, and some fractions also it shows. So plus 5 to minus 1. So how it is possible? So by taking 6 electrons. 6 electrons means minus 6. Minus 6 power plus 5 become minus 1. Means n plus 5 becomes n minus 1 when it is possible by taking 6 electrons. So therefore n factor is equal to 6. So what is the equivalent weight of cold dilute HNO3 is equal to 63 by 6. Okay, 10.5. So in terms of weight, kabatti we are taking as grams. So there is a, so one more observation is also given. If you take very dilute means the total negligible concentration of HNO3. Total negligible concentration. Okay. So that is taken as very dilute nitric acid. So if you take very dilute nitric acid, it is observed that it changes into ammonium. NO3 minus is observed changed into ammonium ion. So what are the oxidation numbers? Here nitrogen plus 5 already calculated. Here what is the oxidation number of nitrogen? N plus 4 equal plus 1. So N equal to, so minus 3. Already we said nitrogen shows many number of oxidation states. Here plus 5. N plus 5 becomes N minus 3. Means oxidation number decreased a lot. So how much? N plus 5 become N minus 3. So by taking 8 electrons. Means in this reaction nitrogen got 8 electrons from different the other species. So therefore n factor is equal to 8. So what is the equivalent weight of so very dilute HNO3? 63 by 8. Okay. So this is the calculation of equivalent weight of nitric acid. Now we see the next compound. Next, one more a very important compound, that is sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate. It's called sodium, okay? Sodium thiosulfate. What is the sodium thiosulfate? Na2S2O3. Okay, so sodium thiosulfate generally works as a reducing agent. Sodium thiosulfate works as reducing agent. Okay, because actually it is a salt of thiosulfuric acid. So Na2S2O3, here what is the change part? The change part is S2O3 minus 2. So S2 but change part we do the calculation, the part where the changes takes place. మన calculation లో sodium thiosulfate total sodium thiosulfate molecular weight తీసుకుంటాం. But what is the change? Change లో మనం only change అయ్యే part తీసుకుంటాం. First we write it acts as reducing agent. It acts as a reducing agent. Again here it is observed that there is different choices are there for it. In acidic medium, basic medium, neutral medium, it shows different changes. First we see in acidic medium. So it is observed that in acidic medium it changes from thiosulfate to tetrathionoate ion. So the thiosulfate ion. So what is a thiosulfate ion? S2O3 minus 2. So it is observed. It is observed in the reactions in acidic medium. It becomes a S4O6 minus 2. It is a very rare ion. Actually, in the problem in the topic of radicals also it is not covered because it's very rare ion. It's called a tetrathionate. It's called tetrathionate ion. So here what is the change in the number of electrons we have to see. So what is the oxidation number of sulfur? Actually number of electron find out challenge. So simple oxidation or reduction and so here 3 oxygens, here 6 oxygens. So 3 oxygens, 6 oxygens means gaining of oxygen means itself it is oxidized. Okay, itself it is oxidized means it works as reducing agent. Okay, so reducing agent means it releases electrons. So S2O3. So the number of electron calculate చేయాలంటే సో మనం ముందు బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ S4s ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 2 సల్ఫర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సో 4 సల్ఫర్స్. సో ఫైనల్గా మనకి సో ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మన ఎన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేది 1 mole of compound, 1 mole of substance transfers how many electrons. So ఇక్కడ 1 mole of electron transfers is called n factor. 1 mole of species gains how many electrons, or 1 mole of species loses how many electrons, that is called n factor. Okay, so దాన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి సో ఇక్కడ మనం బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసినాం. సో ఇక్కడ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తే ద స్టార్టింగ్ వి గాట్ 2 moles. So after calculation again we calculated into for 1 mole. Okay, So what is sulfur oxidation number? So 2x, that is minus 6 equal minus 2. 2x, so plus 6 become plus 4. So x equal to, means each sulfur is having plus 2 oxidation number. So in S4O6, 4x minus 12 equal to the 4x equal to 10. So x equal to 2.5, means 4 sulfurs are having 2.5 oxidation number. So it is very important to know the number of electrons. Actually there are 4 sulfurs. Each sulfur is having plus 2 oxidation number. They changed to 2.5. So 1 changed and so plus 2 becomes 2.5. So 2.5 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్ ఇంక్రీజ్. ఆక్సిడేషన్ నెంబర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయినప్పుడు లూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఇక్కడ మనకు చేంజ్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? జస్ట్ 0.5 చేంజ్ వస్తుంది. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ సల్ఫర్స్? 1 సల్ఫర్ 1xకే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినాం మనం. సో టోటల్గా మనకి ఎన్ని సల్ఫర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 4 సల్ఫర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో కాబట్టి దీన్ని 4 టైమ్స్ చేస్తే సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద చేంజ్? దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. మీన్స్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు that is equal 2 electrons. But here it is not treated as a direct n factor. మామూలుగా n factor మనం 1 mole కి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. బట్ సో మన నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా కలవడానికి ముందు ఈక్వేషన్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసినాం. సో బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసినప్పుడు అది 2 moles ఆఫ్ థయోసల్ఫేట్ అయాన్కి వచ్చింది వాల్యూ. సో ఫర్ 1 mole ఆఫ్ థయోసల్ఫేట్, so for 1 mole of thiosulfate, number of electron change that is equal to 1. Okay, there are 2 moles ke that is we got 2 electrons. For 1 mole n equal to 1. Okay, సో ఈ రైట్ సైడ్ లో ఎన్ని మోల్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని మోల్స్ అని యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇదే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉంది, ఇదే రైట్ సైడ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి. సో డైరెక్ట్గా S4O6 మనం డైరెక్ట్ 4 తీసేసుకొని హౌ మెనీ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. సో బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ చేంజ్ రావద్దు. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇనీషియల్ స్టేట్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు దట్ 1 మోల్కి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వలెంట్ వెయిట్ హియర్? అండ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 1 కాబట్టి so the equivalent weight of sodium thiosulfate, Na2S2O3 in acidic medium. This oblique H plus indicates acidic medium. So what is the molecular weight? Here sodium 23, 2 sodiums are there, 46, 2 sulfurs, that is 32. So 16, each oxygen 16 means total 3 oxygen, 48 by how many electron? Simple 1 electron. What's total its molecular weight? 12. So total 158 by 1, that is 158 grams. So which compound is also having same molecular 158? So can you remember that? So the potassium permanganate is also having 158 molecular weight. Let's see again in basic medium what is the change. So it is observed that in basic medium the thiosulfate ion changed to sulfate ion. Thiosulfate is changed to sulfate. In the doing of problems, we must remember what are the changes takes place in acid medium, basic medium. Because in problem it is not given what is the change. We have to remember. You have to write the total matter. So in basic medium, it is observed that the thiosulfate ion is changed to sulfate ion. So ఇక్కడ 3 oxygen, here 4 oxygen, so simply we can say it is oxidized. So itself it is oxidized means it works as a good reducing agent. So first one, number of electrons losing find out చేయాలంటే so balance చేయాలి 2 sulfur 2 sulfurs. So plus how many electrons? So calculate the oxidation number. మనకు ఆల్రెడీ we calculated కదా 2x minus 6 equal minus 2. Here the 2 sulfurs are having plus 2 oxidation number. One sulfur plus 2, other sulfur also plus 2. Here x equals 6. So each sulfur is having plus 6 oxidation number. So it becomes plus 2 to plus 6. How many are there? 2 sulfurs are changed from plus 2 to plus 6. So ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ 1 mole కే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలన్న డౌట్ రాదు ఆల్రెడీ. సో ఇక్కడ 2 moles లో ప్రోడక్ట్స్లో ఎన్ని మోల్స్లో ప్రాబ్లం లేదు మనకి. సో రియాక్టెంట్స్లో ఉండాల్సింది ఓన్లీ 1 mole తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో బ్యాలెన్స్ కోసం మనకు రైట్ సైడ్లో చేంజ్ చేసినామంటే సో ఇన్ ద రియాక్టెంట్ 1 mole ఓన్లీ ఈజ్ ప్రజెంట్. సో కాబట్టి మనం డైరెక్ట్గా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ చేయడం. సో ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 2 బికమ్ ప్లస్ 6. వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్? By losing 4 electrons. Again it is also losing 4 electrons. Total becomes how many electrons? Losing of 8 electrons. So therefore finally we can write the n factor is equal to 1. Sorry, 8. Number of electrons losed is 8. So the equivalent weight of sodium thiosulfate in basic medium, so this oblique is not necessary, but to show the separation in acidic medium, basic medium, we written like this. So 158 by 8. So the calculation 156. Okay, that is 19. So this is in basic medium. Now we see even in neutral medium it is having some difference. So neutral means it is not an acidic, it is not a base. So it is observed that in neutral medium, sometimes it is also gives a aqueous solution. Aqueous solution, or we can write aqueous medium. Means in aqueous medium also, it is showing a same type of change. Okay. So what is that change means? Here it changed to hydrogen sulfate ion. Hydrogen sulfate ion. So what is hydrogen sulfate? S2O3 minus 2 thiosulfate. Hydrogen sulfate means HS44 minus. We know that what is a sulfate ion? S44 minus 2. S44 minus 2 is a sulfate. Hydrogen sulfate means HS44 minus. Okay, HS44 minus. Here 3 oxygens, 4 oxygen means it's oxidized. So itself it is oxidized means it is works as a good reducing agent. So how many number of electron change? Already we calculated here. What is the oxidation number of each sulfur? Each sulfur is having plus 2. So here each sulfur again I think we will get plus 6. Plus 6. So before that we have to balance the equations. That is a 2. So 2 sulfurs. మనం దేన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలనుకుంటామో దాన్ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తాం. Again here we are getting same number of electrons. That is a plus 2 to plus 6. Like the 2 sulfurs are changing from plus 2 to plus 6. Plus 2 to plus 6, 4 electrons. Plus 2 to plus 6, 4 electrons. again same change. So therefore n factor equal to 8. So the equivalent weight of Na2S2O3 in a neutral medium. So I am not writing any H plus and OH minus. So again 158 by 8. That is 19.75 grams. So there is one question is given that the equivalent weight of what is the equivalent weight of hydrated? So we can take it as a question that find the equivalent weight. Okay. Weight of hydrated. Sorry, hydrated sodium thiosulfate. Thiosulfate. Okay. So all we know the sodium thiosulfate in acidic medium. Okay, medium is given acidic. So actually if you take hydrated, generally it takes place in acidic. So we know in acidic medium what is the change? Acidic medium it is changed to S4O6 minus. Okay. In acidic medium we know that S2O3 minus 2 changed to S4O6 so minus 2. The number of electrons 2 electrons and n factor is equal to 1. So ikkada important one, what is the hydrated sodium thiosulfate? That is important. Na2S2O3. Already we know the hydrated compounds means there is a fixed number of H2O molecules are combined with one molecule of the substance. For copper sulfate we know that copper sulfate is with 5 H2O. Oxalic acid H2C2O4 combined with 2 H2Os. MgS44 if you take that is combined with 7 H2Os. Hydrated salts topic vastadi. Na2S2O3 that is 5H2. So therefore molecular weight in the 158. Extra 5 water molecules and so by only 1 electron, simple. So 198. So 140, 248. Means so number of electron calculation ki manaki same the specific ion తీసుకున్నా the total molecular equivalent weight find out చేయమన్నది a topic a compound కు వచ్చేసి its molecular weight should be taken on a numerator. So actually these are the different examples for the calculation of equivalent weight in different mediums and in different situations. Okay, but these are useful in the calculation of problems. Means in doing before going to the problems you must remember all these changes. Okay, so just practice the total equivalent weights and what are the changes takes place in the number of electrons and how many electrons gaining, how many electrons losing. So just not simply by adding, just you have to remember the equation also. Means in a space, for example, in acidic medium thiosulfate S2O3 minus 2 change it to tetrathionate ion S4O6 minus 2. You have to remember that change also in terms of equation. Okay.